Presenting these mixed variant baby succulents. These baby succulents are called gummuji in Korean. They are the babies of variegated succulents. These have no names. These baby succulents has no name. It was just harvested from the pruning shop of the succulent grower where my husband bought this one in wholesale price. It's still kinda expensive. Maybe he doesn't like me to get angry. That's why he just keep on saying it's just expensive. It consists of 50 pieces, different kinds of Echeverias and Agavoides variant. Some of these succulent babies, you can already see their variegated color on their leaves. But some still do not. Okay, it's time to prepare our soil mix. I'm using of different kind of soil mix ratio since baby and older succulent has different needs. I'm using 5 parts of premium gardening soil mix, 1 part carbonized rice hull, 1 part S-lite, and 3 parts perlite. After mixing it well, pour it on the propagation bed, or you can use also small pots, whatever is available for you. I'm using a bed since I don't have enough spot or space already in my veranda. I'm adding chilsuk, or the one you call vermiculite, on the top. I only adopt this method from a succulent grower I met here. I use this kind of soil mix based on what I saw on the succulent shops I visited near me, watching YouTube, and also my experience. Some shops, they are using pure S-lite. Some shops are also using pure premium gardening soil, or some are mixing S-lite and masato, or masato and gardening soil, or mix of S-lite, masato, and gardening soil. You can see it's just depend on your experience or on what kind of soil mix you want to use. Because soil mix for succulents, as long as it's well-draining soil, you know, the thing succulents doesn't like is storing too much moisture or water on the soil, because they will die with too much water. Based on my experience, when I use this soil mix, my succulent cuttings and baby succulents grows roots fast even if it's winter. Some succulents grower discouraged me to cut baby succulents from mother succulents during winter because they might just die. Most succulents are winter dormant, especially these Echeverias and Agavoides. You know, there is no harm in trying as long as you should accept the consequences. But the good thing for me, I experienced some success rate. Actually, it's kinda high because it's 95%. When the young succulents grows a lot of roots, do you know, it's very easy to pull it out and repot without damaging or cutting the roots. Okay, let's go back to gummuji. Gummuji, or babies of variegated succulents. Basing on the experience of some succulents growers here or shop owners near our place, they are saying even if the mother succulent is variegated, it doesn't mean it will also have baby variegated succulent. a variegated mother succulent can still have not variegated baby succulent. And this not variegated baby succulent, when it grows up, it can give variegated baby succulent. Can you get my point? According to the shop owners or the experience of succulents growers here, the DNA can be passed to babies, to another babies, something like that. Well, I'm not an expert on succulents. These are only based on their experiences. With these baby succulents my husband bought, some baby succulents are already displaying variegated colors on their leaves, and then some are not. But this is only an investment. I am very patient person. If I can grow this one, and then this can also have baby variegated succulents, it will be jackpot, isn't it? Also, another secret shared by some succulent shops here, to make the baby variegated succulent out, the thing they are doing, they are pruning or cutting the Echeverias or agavoides. For them, this is the fastest way to make baby succulents pop out. There are many types of propagation or types of how to multiply your succulents. You just need to find out what is good for you, what is better for you, and what is faster for you. There are many pros and cons when you are doing pruning. It's up to you. Just find what is suitable for you. Just remember, you are going to do pruning because you want to multiply your succulents, not to kill your succulents, or else you will cry a river. After 7 days, that's the time I will give them water, but it will not be that much. I don't give water direct to the succulents. Mostly, I'm watering in between. So this is also the reason why my husband is really buying a lot now. We are going to transfer our plants here this coming May. I'm going to have my own rooftop garden soon. If you haven't subscribed yet, click the subscribe button and then the notification bell. Thank you.